welcome you all. Today we are going to discuss the topic problems on age. Okay, so simple topic, very easy to solve the problems. Fine, what do you mean by problems on age? What type of problems you are going to get in the exam? Let me ask you a question, a simple question. Okay, 10 years before the age of a person was 40. Let me repeat, 10 years ago the age of the person was 40. What will be his age after 10 years? What will be his age after 10 years? Okay, 10 years ago it was 40. After 10 years, what will be his age? So usually what the people are going to think is it is 50 because 10 years ago it was 40. So after 10 years it will be 50. Please understand the question properly. 10 years ago it was 40. What will be his age after 10 years? Will his age means future tense. From today you have to calculate 10 years after. So 40 years from today till today it is 50. From today to 10 years after. So 50 plus 10 it is 60. So 10 years ago it was 40. After 10 years how much it will be? So 10 years ago it was 40. So today it is 50. So after 10 years, that is future, after 10 years it is 60. Okay, so 40 years was past. Okay, 40 years was past. 50 today it is present, future it is 60. So 10 years ago it was 40. Okay, today it is 50. So after 10 years it will be 60. Okay, so usually while solving you consider the present ages, okay, the present ages as x. It's your convenient, you may take any variable. Okay, so usually the people are going to take the present ages as x. So ago, 10 years ago means x minus 10. Next, 5 years ago x minus 5. Before 8 years, before means this is also past, x minus 8. 5 years hence, so future, x plus 5. After 10 years, x plus 10. After 15 years, x plus 15, x plus 15. So from present ages or to the present ages you have to add the ages. For example, 10 years after means you have to add 10 to the present age. So the present age is 10, after 10 years means x plus 10. Okay, so while solving the problems don't depend on x. Just to explain, I took x as the variable. Okay, so usually in the problems on age they are going to give the problems like this: the age of the father, the age of the son, the age of the daughter, the age of the mother. Okay, so these type of problems they are going to ask: age of the father, age of the mother, age of the daughter, age of the son. Okay, so each and every time no need to take x, y, z, a, b, c and all. If they give father, okay, so consider the age of the father. Okay, consider the age of the father as f. Okay, son as s, daughter as d, mother as f. So very easy to identify the answer. See, after simplifying the values or after simplifying the question, you will get the answer in the end. Okay, if you get answer in the end like this, x is equal to 25 or z is equal to 55. So what do you mean by z? What do you mean by x? Again, what you have assigned the value for x and y or assign the name for x and y, you have to check and you have to answer. But if you get the value of f in the end, f as 35, so the age of the father is 35. If you get the value of s as 15, the age of the son is 15. Daughter d as 20, daughter is 20. Mother 35. Okay, so the age of the mother is 35. So very simple to calculate. So these are the basics regarding the problems on age. Now what type of questions you may expect from this module. Only few varieties of problems you can expect from this module. Okay, so let me give you the examples. The first variety 1. So they are going to give you the conditions like this. The sum of the ages of father and son is 60. The sum of the ages of father and son is 60, and the age of the father is twice the age of the son. The age of the father is twice the age of the son. This is the condition they have given. So sum of the ages of father and son, that is f plus s. F means father, s means son, is equal to 60, and the age of the father is twice the age of the son. So twice the age of the son means the age of the father will be 2 times the age of the son. That is nothing but the ratio is 2:1. The ratio to father and son is 2:1. So this is one type of conditions, one type of questions. So what do you mean by F? What do you mean by S? So what is the value of S? What is the value of F? You have to calculate. This is first variety, very simple thing. Okay, very simple. Okay, next variety. Okay, the father age is thrice that of the age of the son. The age of the father is thrice that of the age of the son. After 10 years, he will be twice the age of his son. Let me repeat again, the age of the father is thrice the age of the son. After 15 years, the age of the father will be twice the age of the son. Okay, so this is one more variety, variety number 2. Okay, the father age is twice the age of the son or thrice the age of the son. Here I am taking twice. Okay, after 15 years means f plus 15, s plus 15. Both will get 15 years extra. After 15 years means the father's age is also going to increase by 15 years. The age of the son is also going to be increased by 15 years. Okay, so if you add only 15 for father and if you won't add 15 for son, then you are going to make a bigger mistake. Okay, or if you add only 15 for son, again you are going to make a mistake. Okay, you have to add both 15 to father and son. After 15 years he is becoming thrice. Okay, after 15 years he is becoming thrice. So which is equal to thrice of s plus 15. Thrice of s plus 15. So this is one more variety. Okay, second variety. Third variety. So what is the third variety? It is also very simple. After 15 years, the age of the father was twice the age of the son. This is one condition. After 15 years, the age of the father was twice the age of the son. 15 years ago, the age of the father was 4 times the age of the son. Okay, two types of condition they have given. After 15 years, the age of the father will be 2 times the age of the son. So after 15 years means both will get 15 years. Father will get 15 years and son will get 15 years. So after 15 years, the age of the father will be twice the age of the son. So twice the age of the son. This is one condition. The next condition what they have given. 15 years ago, the age of the father was 4 times the age of the son. So first we have to go back to 15 years. Okay, so f minus 15, yes minus 15. Okay, he was 4 times the age of the son. He was 4 times the age of the son. So this is third variety. Okay, this is third variety. Next you have one more variety, okay, which is bit complicated than the variety number 2 and variety number 3. Okay, let us discuss what do you mean by the fourth variety. Okay, so fourth variety. After 15 years, the age of the father will be 2/3 of the age of the son. Okay, so after 15 years, the age of the father will be 2/3 the age of the son. 2/3 the age of the son. So this is one condition. Next, so before 15 years, okay, 15 years past or 15 years ago, the age of the father was 3/4 of the age of his son. Okay, so one more condition. Okay, so 15 years ago, F minus 15, S minus 15. Okay, the age of the father was 3/4 the age of the son. 3/4 the age of the son. Okay, so this is one more variety. This is one more variety. Next, last variety, variety number 5. Before going to the variety number 5, okay, consider variety number 4. F plus 15 is equal to 2/3 of S plus 15. F minus 15 is equal to 3/4 of S minus 15. So, if you compare variety number 4 with respect to variety number 2 and variety number 3, variety number 4 is bit complicated. Okay, so let us go to the last variety, variety number 5. Okay, so what they are telling is 5 years ago the age of the father and son was in the ratio 5:3. Okay, 5 years ago the age of the father and son was in the ratio 5:3. So first condition, 5 years ago, 5 years ago father is to son, that is 5:3. Next, after 10 years, okay, the ratio will be 6:4 or else 6:5. Okay, so after 10 years, okay, 10 years hence, okay, the age of the father and son ratio will be 6:5. What are the present ages of father and son? Okay, what are the present ages of father and son? Okay, present ages of father and son you have to calculate. Present ages you have to calculate. Okay, so these are the 5 varieties of problems you can expect in the problems. Okay, so the first 3 varieties, yes, definitely you can expect in clerical level, but the last 2 varieties in the most of the cases you can expect in the PO level as well as in the specialist officer level. Okay, only these 5 varieties you can expect in your bank exams. Okay, so now what are the approaches we have to accept or we have to follow to solve these 5 questions? Okay, so what are the methodologies we have to solve, we have to use to solve these 5 varieties? Okay, you have only 3 we have only 3 methodologies to solve these 5 varieties of problems. Okay, the first methodology is general method. The second one is the ratio method. Third method is coming through options. The first method is general method, second method is ratio method, third method is coming through options. In most of the cases, you have to club these two. Means where methodology 2 and methodology 3 you have to club in most of the cases. Few times you may take only ratio method or you may come only with options method or general method. Okay, usually the general method takes too much time to solve the problem. So whatever the conditions I have given, the 5 varieties, all those 5 varieties are expressed in generalized form. Okay, so those varieties can be simplified easily with the help of the ratio method and through options. Sometimes you have to club both the two, ratio method and options method. Okay, next, let's go to the next problem. Problem number 1. The sum of the ages of man and his son is 47 years. After 4 years, the age of man will be 4 times the age of his son. Age of son is, so what is the age of the son? Okay, after 5 years, before 5 years, 10 years hence, they are not asking like this. What is the age of the son or age of son is? Means you have to calculate the present age of son. Okay, so the sum of the ages of man and his son is 47 years. After 4 years, the age of man will be 4 times to the age of his son. So you have 3 methodologies to solve the problem. Okay, so the first methodology is general method, second one is ratio method, and third method is coming through options. Okay, so each and every time coming through options is not a feasible method. Along with that, each and every time coming through general method is also not a feasible method. Okay, let us discuss how to solve this problem. Okay, let us consider the first method, the general method. Okay, we have to construct the equation. I am going to take the age of the man as m and I am going to consider the age of the sun as s. Okay, so the sum of the ages of man and sun is 47. So sum of the ages of man and sun is 47. M plus S is equal to 47. Next, after 4 years means a man is also getting 4 years and sun is also getting 4 years. So after 4 years means we have to add M plus 4, next S plus 4. So after 4 years the age of man will be 4 times to the age of his son. Age of sun is means after 4 years he is 4 times. Okay, so man is 4 times to the age of his son. 4 times to the age of his son. So now how to calculate? Okay, consider this equation as first equation, this equation as second equation. Okay, so you consider second equation and you solve. M plus 4 is equal to 4s plus 16. So what do you have to calculate? Yes, you have to calculate. Means you have to represent m in the form of s. You have to represent m in the form of s. So we can write m as 47 minus s. We can write m as 47 minus s. So m plus 4 means 47 minus s plus 4 is equal to 4s plus 16. 4s plus 16. So if you simplify, okay, 4s plus s is equal to 4s plus s is equal to, okay, so 47 plus 4 minus 16. 47 plus 4 minus 16. So 5s is equal to, so plus 4 minus 16, it is nothing but minus 12. So 47 minus 12, 7 minus 2, 5, 4 minus, okay, 47 minus 12, 4 minus 1, 3, 35. So 5s is equal to 35, s is equal to 35 by 5, we are going to get 7. So the age of the sun is 7. So this is the general technique which takes too much time it is taking. Okay, so please, it is advisable that please don't use these methodologies to solve the problems during your exam time. Okay, let us go to the second approach, that is the ratio method. So how we can implement the ratio? Okay, so see here, what they are telling, the sum of the ages of man and his son is 47 years. After 4 years the age of the man will be 4 times the age of the son. So the first condition what they have given is, so man plus son is equal to 47. 47. So after 4 years means, the man will get 4 years, the son will get 4 years. Okay, which is equal to plus 8. So 47 plus 8, what is the answer? 57 minus 2, 55. So after 4 years the sum of their ages will be, okay, after 4 years the sum of their ages will be 55, that is after 4 years. After 4 years. After 4 years the sum of their ages will be 55. So after 4 years what is the ratio they have given? Okay, after 4 years the ratio is, after 4 years the ratio is 4:1. So you divide 55 in the ratio 4:1. So 4 plus 1, 5. So 55 by 5. Okay, so you have to calculate the age of sun, that is 1. So into 1, which is equal to 11. Okay, so after 4 years, the age of the sun was, the age of the sun will be 11. The age of the sun will be 11. But the present age of sun is equal to, 11 minus 4, that is 7. Okay, so this is a very easy method. Okay, with the help of the ratio you can easily solve. If you are a bit fast in the calculation, 70% of the problem orally you can solve. Okay, so after 4 years means the man is going to get extra 4 years, along with that son is going to get extra 4 years. So 4 years plus 4 years is equal to 8 years. Sum of their ages in the present is 47, so plus 8, the future age will be 55. Okay, so in the future the ratio of their ages will be 4:1. So you divide 55 in the ratio 4:1. Okay, though as the age of the son will be 55 by 5 into 1, which is equal to 11. So after 4 years the age of the son will be 11. So the present age of son is 11 minus 4, that is 7. Okay, so the answer is 7 here. Okay, so very simple method, ratio method. Here if you come through options, then you have to go for a trial and error method. So don't prefer options for these type of problems. Go for ratio method. In most of the cases, the ratio will help you to solve the problems within the given period of time.